Good evening, world, and to everyone. I travel with rheumatoid arthritis. They said that the sinews are worn out of the knee, and where I'm living now is somebody's place, stranger place. Understand? It's a good friend of mine put us up, and I hardly can walk. I have to use this stick, and it set me back a lot, and I'm asking for some help. I know that things is hard with everybody, but if I can get some help, I would be more than grateful for it. I started one room, and it up past bell course, finding hard to finish it, and it stopped. So if anybody out there, anyone out there could help me, I would be more than grateful. I need door, tile, need also a black tank, and if I could get a bed and a dresser, I would be more than grateful. Anything at all that you people have to give to me, I would be more than grateful. God bless you all. As you can see, the window, no window, of the board here. But with God in the vessel, I know that one day I'll smack this time. God bless you all.